This is our Rainforest Blend. This is a triple certified coffee, so this carries the Rainforest Alliance certification, the Fair Trade certification, and the Organic Soil Association certification. It's a single origin coffee coming from one region within Honduras. And this coffee has a delicate profile, has nice chocolatey finish to it, bright acidity, toffee notes, very complex coffee. And this is a medium to medium dark roast strength guide 4 coffee, which is going to work great in a milk or a black coffee.